So let's talk about bacterial vaginosis in pregnancy. Bacterial vaginosis in pregnancy. So bacterial vaginosis, what are the complications of bacterial vaginosis in pregnancy? It causes increased risk of preterm birth. Preterm birth. It causes increased risk of acquisition of HIV, herpes simplex virus, okay, type 2, and gonorrhea, chlamydia, trachomatis. So in pregnancy, bacterial vaginosis is associated with other complications as well, like spontaneous abortion, premature rupture of membrane, premature rupture of membranes, okay, and preterm labor. I have already written it previously. Preterm birth, preterm labor, and chorioamnionitis, and postpartum endometritis. So these are the complications. Screening and treating patients for bacterial vaginosis does not decrease the incidence of these complications. So let me write it. Screening and treating patients for bacterial vaginosis does not decrease the incidence of these complications, okay. So during pregnancy, only who have symptoms are treated with metronidazole or clindamycin. The treatment goal is symptom relief rather than prevention of adverse obstetric outcomes, okay. And bacterial vaginosis is not associated with fetal growth restriction. It is not associated with fetal growth restriction. You should remember that. Unlike other infections like TORCH infections and other maternal comorbidities also causes IUGR, but bacterial vaginosis is not associated with IUGR. And bacterial vaginosis is more common in sexually active patients, particularly having multiple sexual partners, and sexual activity cause change in vaginal pH and therefore decrease in vaginal lactobacilli concentration. And however, bacterial vaginosis is not transmitted through sexual contact, therefore treatment is not indicated for partner. Let me summarize all this. Bacterial vaginosis is associated with pregnancy complications like preterm labor. It can cause preterm labor, but it does not cause IUGR, okay. However, treatment has no impact on the incidence of these complications that I already told you. So treatment has no impact. Just to relieve the symptoms, we treat pregnant patients with clindamycin or metronidazole. So just for symptomatic management. Okay, thank you.